Hey everyone, the Moto G57 Power is Motorola's clear attempt to redefine what battery endurance means in the affordable smartphone segment. At a time when many budget devices still struggle to last a full day under heavy use, this model puts its 7,000 milliampere-hours battery front and center, positioning itself as a true marathon runner. According to Motorola, a single charge can stretch to around 3 days of mixed usage, and in real-life scenarios that claim feels realistic for users who prioritize messaging, browsing, video streaming, and occasional gaming. When the battery does eventually run low, Turbo Power 30-watt fast charging helps minimize downtime, making the device practical not only for endurance, but also for daily convenience. On the front, the Moto G57 Power features a large 6.7-inch display with full HD+ resolution. The inclusion of a 120Hz refresh rate gives the interface a noticeably smoother feel, especially when scrolling through social media feeds or navigating the system UI. With a peak brightness of up to 1050 nits, the screen remains readable even outdoors, which is a welcome upgrade for this price category. Performance-wise, the Moto G57 Power debuts the Qualcomm Snapdragon 6S Gen 4 processor, making it the first smartphone to run on this new chipset. It is clearly designed with efficiency and stability in mind, rather than flagship-level power. Everyday tasks such as multitasking, media consumption, and casual gaming run smoothly, helped by the generous 8 gigs of RAM. Storage stands at 128 gigs, which should be sufficient for most users, allowing space for apps, photos, and offline content without immediate pressure to upgrade. The camera setup reflects a balanced, no-nonsense approach. The main camera uses a 50-megapixel Sony LYT600 sensor, delivering solid results in good lighting with natural colors and respectable detail. An 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera adds flexibility for landscapes and group shots, though image quality understandably drops in lower light conditions. The front-facing 8-megapixel camera is adequate for video calls and casual selfies, focusing more on functionality than social media photography excellence. Durability is another area where the Moto G57 Power stands out among budget phones. The body is certified to MILSTD 810H standards, suggesting resistance to drops, vibrations, and temperature variations. In addition, the IP64 rating provides protection against dust and water splashes. Software is handled by Motorola's Hello UI, based on Android 16. The interface remains clean, close to stock Android, and easy to navigate, which has long been one of Motorola's strengths. Practical features round out the package, including a side-mounted fingerprint scanner that is fast and reliable, as well as a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is becoming increasingly rare, but still highly appreciated by many users. These small touches reinforce the Moto G57 Power's focus on usability rather than flashy trends. Set to launch in India on December 3, 2025, the Moto G57 Power will be available in Pantone Regatta, Pantone Corsair, and Pantone Fluidity color options. With an expected price of around $170, it positions itself as a compelling choice for users who value exceptional battery life, a smooth display, reliable performance, and durable design over premium materials or advanced camera systems. Overall, the Moto G57 Power feels like a thoughtfully designed budget smartphone that delivers exactly what it promises, making it a strong contender in its segment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.